About this pre-owned 2012 Toyota Tacoma Crew Cab. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.7-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 152,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, front air conditioning, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.